Furious pet owners are demanding answers after 47 animal death report linked to PetSmart grooming appointment. Why would pet die from this grooming? Something must be wrong here. Okay, let's read the news. A new investigation by NDA Advanced Media exposed the mystery death of 47 pets who visited PetSmart location for a grooming appointment and died shortly after. What did he do? The pet cause of death has been definitively proven, but according to former employees in the report, workers are sometimes pushed to meet cell quota and safely restrictions are ignored. At least 3 owners have been reported filed suit against PetSmart. Accusing the retailer of being responsible for their pet death. Other owners were opting out of court settlement in exchange for signing non-disclosure agreement. So they will pay out to not talk, but there can be some people who talk. A new investigation by ND Advanced Media explored the mystery death of 47 pets who visited PetSmart location for a short grooming appointment and died shortly after. A short appointment? So they must have done something very wrong to die. At least 3 owners have reportedly filed suit against PetSmart, accusing the retailer of being responsible for their pet death. Well, this is like one location of many. Is it isolated? Let's be on. Where am I? The cause of their pet death had been definitely proven. However, 20 of the 47 pets that were reported died were either bulldog or similar breed that have trouble breathing in stressful or hard environment, or the environment doesn't suit the dog. That might explain a bit more. Is it like bulldog or similar breed? Workers are sometimes pushed to meet cell quota and safety restrictions ignored, according to former employees in the report. Wait, did I read that part yet? A spokesperson for PetSmart denied allegations of wrongdoing in a statement to Business Insider. The death of the pet is always heartbreaking as a company of pet lovers who are dedicated to the health and happiness of our pets. We are empathize with the grieving family. Nevertheless, to bound the whole thing to one word, I see the word nevertheless as 3. We are not aware of any evidence suggesting that PetSmart service caused the death of those pets, the spokesperson say. How long does article? Oh, not that long. PetSmart said that it does not have grooming record for 14 of the 47 pets mentioned in the story. In one case, that led that the owner repeatedly hit veterinarian record and will post report that in order to secure an appointment. Okay, so the vegetarian recommend so the pet had like some kind of health problem before went to grooming. We expect the truth will be revealed through the ongoing legislative process, the spokesperson said. The vast majority of the pet deaths also concerned with the business being taken over by a private equal firm in 2015, when the work environment became increasingly high pressure, former employees said. When the new owner bought in, they demanded 6 to 8 dogs in 8 hours. Marty Fernandez, who was the salon manager in 2 New Jersey PetSmart stores from 2006 to 2016, to tell ND Advanced Media. The always pressure to do more dogs. It was enough to make me said secret. It was enough to make me quit, she said. Okay. So the person said that she quit because they could put in so many dogs in a short amount of time. Several owners have taken to social media to share their story, and many of their posts have now gone viral. According to reports, PetSmart have attempted to hush other owners by charging out court payments for a few $100 and asking them to sign non-disclosure agreements or remove posts on social media in return. Yeah, buying people silence don't always work if not everyone going to stop. During the investigation, ND Advanced Media request tour of the grooming area at 4 PetSmart locations. Also, there are multiple locations then, but it was denied access. Amid the investigation and pending lawsuit, PetSmart have announced new procedure to improve the grooming experience by making more detailed assignment of the pet health before grooming. Committed to install camera into grooming area by August 2019 and allowing customers to tour those areas done on September 29. 2019? Couldn't it do in the next couple of months? They had to wait that long? Head over to NJ Advanced Media for the full investigation. You can read that later. So, people buying the pet and then sort after die. But this did mostly like bulldog? Yeah, that were either bulldog or similar breed. Huh. That must suck. I have a pet which have like long snout, so she probably won't have like a hard time breathing. But like, don't you hate when something super small routine, your pet die? Well, my boy and I do the grooming for her at home. Like each year, he shave off like her fur coat. And once in a while, we give the dog like a bath at home. probably took us like more than an hour to do it. And it seems like each time we give the dog a bath, so you know what to do. Just stay in there and don't try to run out crazy or anything. But every time we give her a bath, she keeps shaking, and then we wash her off with cloth. Okay, so this is the story for the dog so far. I feel bad for all those dogs. Okay, bye.